it's Melanie, and today we are going to organize toys very inexpensively. Inexpensively. Alright you guys, my name is Melanie. If you're new here, hi, stay, please subscribe. Yeah, I do a lot of DIY videos, and I used to do a lot of organization videos, and I've had a lot of requests to bring those back, so I figured what better time than January, especially a toy organization video, because if you're anything like me, toys kind of invade your house after the holidays. Maybe that's my fault, it's fine, it's whatever, I just gotta figure out a way to contain them. So I wanted to make a video on how we do that. Really inexpensive, really cheap. Some things are a few bucks, and I will try to link anything I show in the description. I can speak English. I teach English. Can you believe that? No, me either. Anyway, I will try to link it in the description bar below for you. But yeah, I do have a different toy organization video. It's a few years old. I was pregnant with my 3-year-old when I made the video, and we still use a lot of those systems, but these ones are working really well for us. They're kind of newer. I don't think any of them were in that video, and they're really cheap, which is the most important thing to me because I have a budget. So anyway, rambling, and I feel like at the beginning of every video I say that I'm rambling because I'm always rambling. Sorry for that. Anyway, please stay and subscribe even though I ramble. Here is your video. Alright guys, I'm going to start right here because I'm already sitting here and show you guys what we've set up here in our living room, so that way we have some bins in the living room. A lot of stuff is in their room and the homeschool room and that kind of stuff, but they do like to play out here. So we have a little system set up. The first thing is these 2 tables. These were, what, $7 or $8 at IKEA. We have 2 of them so that way they can put their piano on top, because we needed a very secure place to put their piano so they can practice. And then I just dusted this. Why? Anyway, underneath these bins, they sell them at Five Below for $5. If you don't have a Five Below, I'm so sorry. When we first moved to Cincinnati, we did not have any Five Below stores, and we had a lot of them in Pittsburgh, and I was so sad. But anyway, we do now, and they fit so well underneath. You can barely even see them, and they can just put their toys right in, plop, and shove them underneath. I have one for each kid, which they actually kind of just fill them both. You guys know how that is. Anyway, easy peasy lemon squeezy. If I can't find a Five Below link, I'll try to find something similar on Amazon. But anyway, 7, 7, 5, and 5, and it's all the way we want it. Anyway, let's continue. Another way we keep toys at bay in the living room are these guys right here. We have a couple of these. One's for blankets, one's for extra pillows. This one we keep toys in, particularly stuffed toys. My daughter loves stuffed toys. I think I went to a whole video on how we keep stuffies at bay because my daughter has so many, she loves them. Anyway, you guys, super easy peasy. Lift, pop it in. You can use it for seating, whatever. Super duper love it. So this product she's actually the most excited about. It's from Boone. You guys know I love Boone. I do a lot of reviews for them. And it's an animal bag, so you can put all of your stuffed animals in there. So we're going to see how that works for us. Are you excited? Yeah. And then it's kind of like a bean bag, only you store your stuffed animals inside. And this one has a lot. Yeah! Okay, let's try it. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That is so fluffy.
Look inside.
I know it.
Look inside.
What is it? Oh, that is so fluffy. They do come in gray if you want it to match your living room, but this is for their room.
This is for my
Oh, look how nice. The mesh. I thought the mesh would be like more of a netting, but this feels way more durable than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, I think it's so the stuffed animals can breathe, which is pretty cool. Show them this side. And it has more structure than I thought. Yeah, are you ready to shove it full of animals?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we're not going to use these guys because these have harder heads. We do have a couple like this, so those will just go on our bed. But everything that's soft with no voice box or hard faces or anything can go in here. Yeah, I know it. This is holding more than I thought too. I really like that it's gonna have a structure to it. I thought it was just gonna be like a beanbag sphere. That's hard.
How do we use it?
Stick it in there. There's more.
Really?
Yeah, there's a bunch more in here. Okay.
Daddy, thanks for leaving all these.
We just washed these, huh?
Yeah.
Another Sky. She's a current favorite. Obsessed. I cannot believe how many are fitting in here. Holy guacamole. There could be more in here. I didn't even think these would fit in here. And there's more. I should have went and got more. Look at this. They all fit. There could fit more in there. Wow. I'm impressed by this. All right, let's zip this up. Then we'll add some more. Let's see. Zip it, zip it.
But how did I miss them?
Ooh.
Mommy?
Yeah, look. You can totally fit more in there. Look at this.
Hey.
You want to go get some more? Okay. Do you like it? If we put more in there, I bet it'd be more structured.
Where are they?
That's really cool.
Where are they?
Where are they? Peekaboo. This is so cool. And now you have a new seat too. I really like this.
But how about the messy polar bear?
Yeah, we could put it in there.
These are my stuffed animals, and my own name is Czoka.
Good girl. I'm gonna have a DIY on these soon, but you guys, this is one of my favorites. This is my son's room. This is right underneath his window, and we've hung just a few of these things. These metal brackets that you see, they come in I think a 4 or a 5 pack for $1 at Dollar Tree. I have a couple DIYs with those coming up. You could paint them black and use them like at a farmhouse decor, which y'all can't wait to show you that. Anyway, you can hang a Dollar Tree bucket and you can put anything in here. Bucket. Why do I keep calling these buckets? Baskets. Anyway, we put his games and DVDs in here and some of my daughter's DVDs that she likes to watch in here. Super easy. You can put anything you'd like in these and hang them up on the wall, and you don't even have to put a shelf. I love this idea. It's worked really, really well for us. All right, guys, I've mentioned over the door hangers before. This one is not hanging on my door because I own the house, so I can screw it in, and I think it's a lot more convenient that way. But this is just in our schoolroom. You could put these anywhere, a closet. You can put them in your kids' back of their door, wherever you want to put it. You can mount it on the wall. You can paint it. But I love these things because they fit. Like, these are our extra crayons and stuff. And these little containers right here, a total gem, you guys. These little guys go on sale for $1 or less during back to school season. I put Legos in these. I put crayons in these. I put puzzle pieces in these. When they go on sale for $1 or 50 cents, I like to get them to put like puzzles in the little sleeves. Love these. My kids actually asked for these for Christmas because they like them. Can you hear my daughter? And this can also hold these little card boxes. You can get these for really inexpensive. We had flashcards in this one. Some of them have little like manipulatives for learning and stuff, but I super duper recommend this. You can use this as a book rack, only if it's on a door that's well used. Be careful with that, but yeah, totally works. We love this system. We use it a little differently. I actually use one of these in my back bathroom where no one goes in, to store my extra toiletries and stuff. So anyway, super love this, especially these little boxes right here. He's still sitting over there showing you her new bag, huh? Yeah. This is what I want to show you guys. Say hi! Hi. And okay, guys, so this I want to show you. It's one of the most simple setups that we have. We use one in our homeschool room, one in their room. And these bins, if you don't recognize them, are from Dollar Tree. They were $1. I'll try to find them and link them. But the stand that it's on, it was only a few bucks on clearance. I'll try to find something similar online if I can, and these just fit perfectly. But if you guys can find any shelf that you can fit really inexpensive bins on, I totally recommend, because you're saving space going up. But I want to show you guys what I actually put in these. The top one, we got a different bin to put paperwork in. You totally don't have to do that if you don't have paperwork or homework or anything like that. But it fits perfectly with our theme. And right here we actually have like things that Logan wants to read. He has a whole different, yes honey, hold on one second. He has a whole different shelf with different things, but these are things he's currently reading. And then up here, Sissy wanted to show you this. This wasn't in there, but she wanted to give you an example.
Yeah.
Here are Sissy's toys. I want to show you guys where we like to keep these actually. We actually, because you guys know, these surprise toys and little figurines are so popular, and we like to keep, she has so many of these, so we like to keep these in LOLs, of course. Naked LOL, but we like to keep these in just plastic shoe boxes, so that way when she carries this from room to room, they do not spill, you can shake them, and we actually keep one of these in the car full of toys.
This one?
Yes, ma'am. We actually keep one of these in the car full of toys because it's easier for her not to lose them, because she has like a deeper surface to play in the car. So yeah, these work really well for us. And fun fact, these are $1 at Dollar Tree, but these ones, when they're, can you hear me over my daughter? Whenever they're on sale at Target, they're actually cheaper at Target. They're like 87 cents. So fun fact for you. What's up, girl? You want it back? Yeah, she's not happy that I have her stuff. One of our favorite things to do, you may notice this around our house, is to get these IKEA shelves. They're in our schoolroom, they're in their room, they're in my room. The IKEA shelves, y'all, are like $3 or $4 total, including the brackets. And then I just add some baskets. My room has some clearance baskets from Michael's, but in the kids' rooms and in the schoolroom, we just do dollar store bins, y'all. And I think it looks pretty good. If you want a certain aesthetic, you can make them all match one color, or you can make them all the same shape. But this is just what we had left over after we did their room. So anyway, I love the way this works for us. It's super easy. It gets stuff off of the floor, especially stuff you don't want like them to get into, like Play-Doh or that kind of like paint, you know what I mean? My 3-year-old, y'all, I swear. Anyway, yeah, super recommend this. The shelf is like $3 or $4 with the brackets plus a couple buckets. I mean, or buckets? Maybe those could be buckets. Y'all know what I mean. It works so well. Alright guys, that is it. If you think of anything else, especially inexpensive or some sort of hack, please let me know in the comments below. I will have a bunch of organization videos coming out, so I hope that you like them. And that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching. It means the world to me. Bye, all love yous.